Hi friends, today recipe is pepperpot. Listed on the screen there is my ingredients that I'm going to use. The most important thing is the cassareep to make this stew. I have my meat, the cow heel, beef and some pork boiling. I'm going to add my sugar, clove, spice, black pepper and salt, and thick leaf, garlic and Wiri pepper. That's some fine thyme, dry fine thyme. I don't have the fresh one. This is the cassareep that is going to make this stew. All my ingredients are now added into the meat in the pressure cooker. So I'll give it a stir. Then I'm gonna close the lid and pressure it for like maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Then open and see how it looks. This is my way of making pepperpot. This is how I make it for my family, and this is how they like it. Everybody have their own way how they make it. So pepperpot is a stew-based dish that is made around Christmas time. Thanks for watching my video. If you want to see a more in-depth video of me making pepperpot, kindly like and subscribe.